A dashcam is a device that records video of the road ahead while you are driving. It can be a valuable tool for protecting yourself in the event of an accident. HD dashcams record in high definition, which means that the video footage is clear and detailed. This can be helpful for insurance claims and legal cases. Here are some of the benefits of using an HD dashcam. Provides video evidence in the event of an accident. If you are involved in an accident, the video footage from your dashcam can be used to prove who was at fault. This can help you get a fair settlement from your insurance company. Can help you avoid false insurance claims. If someone hits your car and claims that you were at fault, the video footage from your dashcam can help you prove that you were not. Can deter accidents. Some drivers may be less likely to tailgate or engage in other risky driving behaviors if they know that they are being recorded. Can help you record road conditions. If you witness a traffic accident or other incident, the video footage from your dashcam can be used to document the event. Here are some factors to consider when choosing an HD dashcam. Resolution. The higher the resolution, the better the video quality. Look for a dashcam that records in at least 1080p field of view. The field of view determines how much of the road is visible in the video footage. A wider field of view is better for capturing accidents and other incidents. Night vision. A good dashcam should have night vision, so that you can record clear video footage in low light conditions. Features. Some dashcams come with additional features such as GPS, G-sensor, and parking mode. GPS can track your location. The G-sensor can detect sudden impacts, and parking mode can record video even when your car is parked. Here are some additional tips for choosing and using an HD dashcam. Install the dashcam in a secure location where it is not likely to be stolen or damaged. Make sure the dashcam is properly aligned so that it captures the entire road ahead. Keep the dashcam's memory card full so that you do not override